Hey guys, it's your favorite song, Aimee Song, and today I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing for a holiday vacation with THEOUTNET. First off, we have a really cute mini dress, so flirty and so cute. I do love a good midi dress because I find it very easy to wear. Since it's like neutral color, now I need heels, some height, because I have a tall boyfriend. Wherever I travel, I always pack a pair of red sandals. I find that red works with so many different outfits. It's a pop of color. So instead of stilettos, you want to wear wedges because they're just much more comfortable. Honestly, you don't want to be in Italy or Europe on the cobblestone streets walking like this in high heels. Don't be that person. Just get wedges. We can't forget my favorite thing, statement earrings. You can blind people with a pair of statement earrings like this. Now, shall we talk about cover-ups? I like a neutral cover-up because it works with any type of swimwear. When I'm packing, I like to pack similar tones because I find it easy to mix and match, so then you don't have to overpack. So we have a fun, patterned, high-waisted bikini situation, and I find high-waisted bikini shorts like so flattering and also kind of like old Hollywood. And honestly, swimsuits don't take up that much space because let's say you're packing hats. You can just put all your swimsuits inside the hat. That's what I do. This is packing 101. You want to pack as many things inside the bag. And voila, you're done. You're welcome. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I'm packing for my summer getaway. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!